Blowin Coupons is back with another CVS haul. These deals are good from Sunday, May 31st through Saturday, June 6th. We are doing this haul in the store, and I am breaking everything into separate transactions so we can roll our extra bucks and keep our out-of-pocket cost low. Before you head to CVS, open your app and clip all of your digital coupons. Once you get inside the store, stop at the red coupon center, enter your phone number or scan your ExtraCare card, and check your prices before you start checking out. Your prices may be a little different depending on your store, and I am not including tax in these totals. Okay, let's start with the first transaction. For transaction number 1, grab 2 packages of the Honest Little Flushables, 42 count. They are $3.99 each, but this week they are buy one, get one 50% off. There is no coupon needed for this deal. Your total will be $5.98. Pay that out of pocket, and you are going to get $5 back in extra bucks. Now, do not leave that extra bucks reward sitting in your purse because we are using it right away. For transaction number 2, grab 2 packages of the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipes, 21 count. They are $6.49 each, so both packages will total $12.98. Clip the $5 off 2 Neutrogena Wipes coupon in your CVS app. After that coupon comes off, your total will be $7.98. Use the $5 in extra bucks from your first transaction and you will only pay $2.98 out of pocket. Then you are going to receive $7 back in extra bucks. After the reward, both packages of Neutrogena wipes work out to only 98 cents total. That is just 49 cents each. Now let's roll that $7 extra bucks reward into transaction number 3. For this one, we are doing a simple Wet n Wild makeup deal. Grab 1 Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara for $4.19, 1 Wet n Wild Liquid Eyeliner for $3.99, and 1 Wet n Wild Silk Finish Lipstick for $1.89. All 3 products will total $10.07. There is no coupon needed for this deal. Use the $7 in extra bucks from your Neutrogena transaction. You will only pay $3.07 out of pocket, and you are going to get $5 back in extra bucks. Take that $5 reward and use it on transaction number 4. For this deal, grab 2 Garnier Whole Blends shampoos or conditioners. They are on sale 2 for $9. Clip the $3 off 2 Garnier Whole Blends coupon in your app. That will bring your total down to $6. Use your $5 in extra bucks from the Wet n Wild deal, and you will only pay $1 out of pocket. You are also going to get $3 back in extra bucks. After the reward, both bottles work out to $3 total, or $1.50 each. We are taking that $3 reward and rolling it right into transaction number 5. Grab 2 Degree Dry Spray deodorants priced at $6.59 each. These are buy one, get one 50% off this week. After the sale, both deodorants will total $9.88. Clip the $4 off 2 Degree coupon in your CVS app. That will bring your total down to $5.88. Use the $3 in extra bucks from your Garnier transaction. You will pay $2.88 out of pocket and get $3 back in extra bucks. Now use that $3 reward on transaction number 6. Grab 2 Softsoap antibacterial hand soaps, 11.25 ounces. They are $3.49 each, so both bottles will total $6.98. Clip the 75-cent Softsoap coupon in your app. That will bring your total down to $6.23. Use your $3 in extra bucks from the Degree deal. You will pay $3.23 out of pocket and get $2 back in extra bucks. Now we are down to the last transaction. For transaction number 7, grab 2 Garnier Fructis shampoos or conditioners priced at $5.29 each. Both bottles will total $10.58. Clip the $3 off 2 Garnier Fructis coupon in your CVS app. After the coupon comes off, your total will be $7.58. Use the $2 in extra bucks from your Softsoap transaction. You will pay $5.58 out of pocket and get $4 back in extra. Let's go over the final numbers because this is where it gets good. We picked up 15 items with a sale value of $65.47. By breaking the haul into separate transactions and rolling our extra bucks after each deal, our total out-of-pocket cost is only $24.72 before tax, and we are still leaving CVS with $4 in extra bucks to use on our next shopping trip. Once you count that final reward, the effective cost comes down to $20.72 for all 15 items. That works out to about $1.38 per item. And listen, if you already have extra bucks saved from last week, your out-of-pocket cost could be even lower. Save this video so you can pull it up while you are shopping. Subscribe to Blowin Coupons for more easy couponing breakdowns, and comment CVS if you want me to keep doing these rolling extra bucks scenarios.